All right, y'all. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. I'm gonna dance. I ain't got no even got no music on. But hello, y'all. Welcome to the video. Make sure that y'all, of course, like, subscribe, and of course, make sure that y'all comment down below because I want to know if y'all made this too. So, what I'm making today, y'all, is eggplant fries. It's almost prepared. I gotta get it cut up. That's the part y'all don't see. So again, this is your girl Tony, Tonetta Clay, of course, your social worker coach, and of course, I own a small cookie business here in Tucson called Cookies and Ish. So, like I said, cookie demos is something that I love to do. I love to create different things and try to see what I can come up with, especially if it's a healthy food. And like I said, the eggplants definitely ain't top of the penis eggplant, but the eggplant is definitely healthy. I guess it's healthy too. I guess you could say. I guess you could say. Oh my God, I'm losing my mind. Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all. Let me go ahead and get to it. But like I said, I'm definitely making eggplant fries. I guess I put it that way. Oh my God, I'm cracking myself up. But like I said, I'm making eggplant fries, so they're gonna be baked in the oven. And I walk y'all through the process. I'm so silly. Okay, I walk y'all through the process too. Penis fries, Lord, that'll be a horrible mess, I'm sure. So let me see y'all. Hold on, let me move this bowl out the way. Let me go ahead and move this on over here so that y'all can see me go ahead and get this doggone eggplant cut up. Like I said, the eggplant up here, not down there. Oh my God, y'all. But yes, I know somebody gonna say something about that in the comments, which is all right. I'm very silly at times, y'all. So all I'm doing is cutting the eggplant up into some fry strips. That's all I'm about to do right now. I'm not sure how to get this cut up, y'all. This is my first time making this, y'all. I may have bigger things than fries. I don't know. We'll see. May have some big old strips, but we'll see. Let me see. I need a plate or something to put this on so I can put them all into the egg batter all at once. I'll stick that right over there. So, like I said, I hope y'all doing well. And like I said, make sure that y'all are, of course, like I said, subscribing, y'all. Subscribe. And, of course, tell your friends about me, too, y'all. And if there's any kind of cooking demo that you want to see that's more on the healthy side, as much as it can be, I've done all kind of course, cakes and cookie demos, stuff like that, too. But if you have anything that you may want to see as far as food-wise, like I said, it's a little bit on the healthy side. Let your girl know down in the comments so I can try to make sure I make that for you. Let me know. And this is my first time ever making eggplant fries. I'm just going off what I think should be right. So, I mean, I don't have a particular recipe in mind at all or didn't even look one up. So, I mean, so I'm just going off what I'm thinking is right from how I make regular potato fries. So, except for I am going to use an egg wash with these. And I'll show y'all that in a few too. Once I get to that point, I'll let y'all know. And I'll be at that point as soon as I'm done cutting these. Like I said, all I'm doing here is just cutting the eggplant into fry shapes. That's all I'm doing. And y'all can see the eggplant fries. Like I said, that's what I'm doing right now. And like I said, definitely just cutting them on into shapes, fry shapes. To go ahead and get these bad boys in the oven. But I got to go through a few more steps first before they can go into the oven. So that's what I'll be doing shortly. Like I said, I hope y'all doing okay out there. Let me know how y'all... And that's the oven, y'all, going off, just in case you wondering what in the world's beeping. I ain't burning nothing up in here. I turned the oven on before I started, and it just got done with the pre-warm. I guess I don't know what it's called, y'all. Warming up. I don't know what the word is called. But warming up, y'all. Warming up. That's all it's going to be today. It's warming up. So, and just to let y'all know, the inspiration for this came out of because I had an eggplant in the refrigerator that I bought, I think it was last weekend, that I had not cooked and I saw it was going to start going bad. I'm like, I got to go ahead and cook this thing. So that's where the inspiration came from. I didn't want to waste the eggplant, so I decided to go ahead and cook something with it. So eggplant fries, it's the first thing I thought of. Well, actually, it's not the first thing I thought of. The first thing I thought of was like some just baked eggplant. But like I said, I kept thinking, I'm like, wait a minute, hold on. Just looked at Pinterest a tiny bit, and I'm like, I can make some French fries with this, because I've made plantain fries before. I love plantain fries. I love plantains too, y'all. But like I said, I've made plantain fries, so I figure I'll see how the eggplant one tastes. I don't know, we'll see. Never had it, but we'll definitely see. Eggplant, from what I can remember back when I was a kid, my grandmother, my mama's mom, used to make this fried eggplant stuff all the time. And I have never made that. My partner actually says he knows how to make it, but I have never made it. And hopefully soon we can do one on camera for y'all. Hopefully soon. I don't know, I ain't gonna say soon, but hopefully at some point. The next time I buy eggplant, I guess I put it that way. Like I said, I definitely want to taste that because I haven't tasted that since I was a kid. I don't know if anybody else out there grew up eating fried eggplant sometimes. If so, make sure y'all, like I said, put that down in the comments. Let me know. And let me know what kind of eggplants y'all make at home now, or if you even make any. I know some folks may not even eat eggplants. I'm sure that. Let me know if you don't like them. Put it in the comments too, y'all. And while y'all down there, make sure that y'all subscribing and pressing that notification bell so that you can get all of my videos, y'all. So that you can see whenever time I go live. Okay, so I'm done cutting up these, the eggplant fries. That's my whole plate. And I've already, put an egg in here, y'all, already. And I put some paprika, lemon pepper seasoning, and some other kind of seasoning. I forgot the name of it. Seasonings or something that I had here. But I'm thinking I may need another egg. We'll see. I'll see. We'll see. I may not. We'll see. May not, may not. I guess I can just toss these on in here and just toss instead of having to use my fork because I tear them up. So I'm putting all the eggplant in here, y'all. And like I said, I'm just going to toss them around and get them all coated. As coated as I can, I guess I put it that way. Uh-oh. As coated as I can, y'all. Maybe the bowl too small. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just kidding. I know how to cook, y'all. I'm just joking. But it's like I said, my first time making this. But maybe I need another egg. I don't know. But I didn't want to drown it too much in the egg. But, I mean, we'll see. We'll see, y'all. And like I said, I did put the lemon pepper seasoning, paprika, and like another spice in here. But you don't have to put any spices in here if you don't want. I just want to make sure I had some type of spice, something going on these things, so they won't just be bland. Besides using the breadcrumbs, which I'll get to in a second. Because these have to be covered in breadcrumbs too. So this is a pretty easy recipe, actually. Shouldn't even take that long for me to make this. The longest part will actually be the baking, y'all. I'm pretty sure that. And I may need to put another egg in here, y'all. Yep, I think I may have to. So let me go ahead and get a bowl and get another egg. Whip it up right quick. Because I don't think that's enough egg wash in there. With that. I got to put the breadcrumbs on there. I don't think it's going to stick like that with this little bitty one egg. So that's the thing that I'll make sure I put that in the description too. I did add another egg to this. Like I said, this one egg just ain't working for me right now. Get them coated at all. So like I said, I'm just whipping up another egg. Ain't putting no seasoning in this one. But I'm just going to pour it on top and go ahead and get the mix in the same thing I was just doing, y'all. So next time I know when I make anything like this, especially when it comes to eggplant fries or anything like that, make sure that I have enough egg in there. Which is okay. It's still fine. It ain't taking up too much time, so it's still fine. And what I'm doing, like I said, I'm just tossing them around in this bowl. So I'm actually going to toss them into another bowl, actually. Uh-oh. Well, actually, I probably can do it all in here. We'll see. Let me see. How much egg do I have at the bottom of this? Yeah, I may have to take them up out of there. But that's okay. And like I said, definitely trying to get all these eggplants covered. Or eggplant pieces. Like I said, not the penis, the actual plant. I don't know why I'm talking about penises today, y'all. Lord have mercy. Y'all gotta excuse me, especially if y'all new to me. Sometimes I can say some stuff, it's like, what the heck is she talking about now? But it's alright, y'all. Y'all get used to it. Just make sure y'all subscribing and sticking around. Y'all definitely, like I said, you'll get used to it. If that's your kind of thing. If not, then of course you won't get used to it. And if not, then I'm not for you. That's all that means. So, but for those of y'all I'm for that don't mind to be silly at times, because I'm a very silly, I want to act fun, do different things kind of person. So, like I said, stick around with me, y'all. Okay, I think I got those as covered as I can, y'all. Considering the eggplants. So all I'm going to do is just pour these into this bowl, actually. Trying to make sure I got them all covered as much as I can, y'all. But this is how they look. Like I said, it's nothing spectacular. They look the similar kind of way. They just kind of slimy because they have the egg wash on it. That's all. So I'm just pouring this into the bowl, y'all. I'm going to get some breadcrumbs on her too, just to let y'all know. Uh-oh. They already smell good. I guess it's the seasoning up on her too, I'm sure. Uh-oh. Trying to see if I see any eggplant that's not all the way covered so I can put it back in this wash. I did see that one because that was definitely not covered at all. Uh-oh. Do I see anything else? I think that's about right. All right. And all I'm going to do now is just pour, I got some breadcrumbs that I had in the pantry. Just pouring them on top. I'm going to go ahead and shake this on up too, y'all. And I would say I put about a couple breadcrumbs in her as well. And like I said, I put this in the description too. The recipe I'm using, you can use more or you can use less. It depends on what you want inside of your eggplant fries. That's up to you. And the breadcrumbs I'm using, they're Italian style. So they already actually have like a seasoning kind of, you can say, on it. I may still put a little, actually I'm going to put some Parmesan on top of this actually. There's one thing that I had not put on there, but Parmesan. And this is just a regular grated Parmesan cheese. I want to put a little bit on there right now. And then I'll put some on there, of course, before I take them out. So like I said, this is definitely, actually I'll go ahead and put some more on there. Instead of waiting until I take them out because the stuff, it probably won't even stick, y'all. Okay. 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 Getting those. Let me throw this bowl into the sink. All right. Like I said, y'all, that's how they look when they're covered. That's how they look, y'all. Like I said, I put the egg wash, put them in egg wash, and a little bit of seasoning to my egg wash. You don't have to, but I did. And of course, just went on ahead and flipped them on in the breadcrumbs. So, yeah. Like I said, that's what I'm about to flip them on this silver plate. I mean, silver plate, Lord. On the silver pan tray, as you see. So I can throw these muds into the oven, y'all. Throw these muds. I mean, I used to say that back when I was a kid. I don't know if anybody else say, look at that mud. That mug. I don't know what the hell the word was, actually. I guess it's mud. I don't know. Back when we was a kid, y'all grew up in St. Louis, we said stuff like that. Look at that mug. You an ugly mug. So I guess mug, M-U-G, is the word, I guess. Oh my God, y'all. I'm having fun today. All right, like I said, I love the kitchen, y'all. I love making stuff in here. And I also love, of course, I'm a social worker, so I love helping people too. And spreading the good positivity and stuff like that. Today is not really a lot of positivity. I guess, but the laughing. I'm sure y'all got y'all cracking up laughing. So that's the positivity for today. Make sure y'all smile. But like I said, definitely the social worker coach, which that's my coaching business. Like I said, definitely. This is something that I've talked about a lot. Y'all may see some, of course, you can check out some of the videos down below too, down below on my page. But I talk a lot about how baking helped me heal. It's baking, cooking, anything in the kitchen for me. It helps me, of course, process. Over the years, it has definitely helped me plan, strategize, all those types of things, and heal. Like I said, that's why I love being in the kitchen too. So it's been a therapy for me. So I don't know if anybody else can identify. Definitely let me know what you do for therapy. I have been to therapy before, regular therapy actually as well. Back when I was in college, but after that, of course, like I said, this baking has helped me heal, and it's my therapy at this time. This and walking in nature. Some of the videos y'all will see down there too has me out there at the trails and stuff like that. Okay. So I'm gonna pop this in the oven, y'all. As y'all can see, and also when you put these on this tray, whatever pan you're baking them on, make sure that you spray that boy down with some cooking oil. Or spread it in some olive oil, whatever kind of oil you want to use, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, whatever it is. Make sure that you spray the pan down first. Mine has foil because it's easy cleanup. So all I gotta do is when this thing is done, throw this foil away in the pan, go right back into the cabinet. It is still clean. So like I said, that's what I do with this, y'all. So like I said, I'll let y'all know how it looks when it's done, y'all. Peace out. All right, y'all, I'm dancing again. We back now. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I got them out the oven, y'all. Let me get my little thing. My hand gonna be hot with this. I ain't trying to burn myself up at all. Let me see, child. All right, now. Move this counter over here a little bit. But let me show y'all these eggplant fries. Y'all, they look doggone good, y'all. They look good, they look good, they look good. Like I said, this is how they look coming out the oven, y'all. This is definitely how they look. Like I said, definitely your girl has made this for the first time ever, and I'm loving it, y'all. I want to try one, but I know it's hot as I don't know what to. But I'm going to try to make sure I get through this. Let me see. I'm going to try to get through this, y'all, so y'all pray for me, all right, now? Good Lord Jesus. All right, let me try to pick one up. Don't want to burn myself here. Okay. It's good, y'all. That's really good. I have no idea what I'm going to dip these in. You can use whatever kind of sauce you want. Marinara, like the eggplant parmesan. That's done with the marinara. Now these are good. But I don't usually dip stuff like that. Well, can't say that I haven't, but I know lately I've been trying to stay away from stuff that gives me a heartburn. So that marinara definitely gives me a heartburn. So only thing else I have is like some ranch sauce, but I don't know. I may put like a little drop and see, but otherwise I'll eat them plain. So like I said, y'all, eggplant French fries. Make sure y'all let me know if y'all making this. Put it in the comments, y'all. This is really good. It's tasty as hell, actually. So I'm about to go sit my butt down and enjoy the rest of these, y'all. Like I said, make sure y'all are subscribing and making sure y'all clicking the notification bell so that y'all can get all my uploads, videos, that type of thing that's going on, and see what's going on in my end of the world. So again, this is your girl Tonetta Clay, your social worker coach, and your owner of Cookies and Ish, and your woman who loves to, of course, bake and cook and do something in the kitchen, as well as inspiring. So inspiring those that, of course, may come across my path. So with that, take care, y'all. I'll see y'all later.